Hi class 5, welcome to the geometry class once again. So today we are going to start with exercise number 32, sum number C number 1. So here it has been asked that whether we can make the triangle by using three different sizes. Okay, now three different sizes has been given. Now I have taken sum number 1 and sum number 5. Okay, so we have to see whether they are capable of making one triangle or not. So we have already known the property of a triangle, right? So what is the property of a triangle? That the summation of two sides of a triangle should be greater than the third side. So here AB plus BC should be greater than AC. This is the number 1 condition. Number 2 is BC plus AC should be greater than AB. And the third one, that is AB plus AC should be greater than BC, right? Now let's put the values and see whether that the same is going to happen or not. So in the first case, 2.4 plus 3.4, that is equals to 5.8 is greater than AC, that is 5 centimeter, right? Therefore 5.8 is greater than 5. Alright, for the number 2, BC is 3.4, AC is 5 and AB is 2.4. So we can understand from there that 8.4 is greater than 2.4, right? And the last one, that is AB, that is 2.4 plus AC, that is 5, is greater than 3.4. That means 7.4 is greater than 3.4. Therefore, we can say that triangle ABC can be formed by using A, B, C. That means the sides AB, BC and AC as the sides. Okay, so this is the answer for the first one. Now for the second one, that is number 5, here we are going to apply the same as here. Okay, we have already known the conditions. Therefore, for number 1, what is AB? That is 5 centimeter plus BC is 2 centimeter. It should be greater than 3 centimeter. That means 5 plus 2, that is 7. Therefore 7 centimeter is greater than 3 centimeter. That's fine. Then coming to the next one, that is BC, that is 2 centimeter plus AC, that is 3 centimeter. It should be ideally bigger than the number 5. Now here you can see that 3 plus 2 is equals to 5, which is equal to 5 centimeter. Therefore, BC plus AC is not greater than AB. And for the third condition, that is AB, which is 5 plus AC, that is 3, is greater than BC, that is 2. Now this is okay. So 8 centimeter is greater than 2 centimeter, right? Therefore, we can say that triangle ABC cannot be formed by using AB, BC and AC as their sides. Now coming to the next sum, that is sum number G. Okay, now what has been asked out here in the question, it has been asked that we have to make triangle LMN. Now what has been given? LM is given as 2 centimeter, MN given as 2 centimeter. Angle LMN has been given as 60 degree. Okay, so two sides are given, one angle is given. Now we have already known how to draw a triangle with two sides given and one angles given, right? So let's get started with doing that. So first we are going to take an arbitrary line once again. So here I am taking this line. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to take the size of the 2 centimeter. So from here I have already taken the sizes. Adjust the compass properly so that you don't have to find any hassle while taking the sizes. Okay, so here I have already taken. Now I am just putting the sharp edge at one end and taking an incision over the arbitrary line. Okay, so this is it. Here we are going to name it. Now what is the name to be given? As, say, this is LM. Alright, now once again what we are going to do, we are going to take an angle that is already been given, that is 60 degree. Now we are going to put the protector out there and we'll see where the 60 degree is lying exactly. So here the 60 degree is lying. Alright, so I have taken one dot out here exactly at the 60 degree. Now what we are going to do, we are going to attach, or we are going to join this point and the end of the M and have taken a straight line, and we don't know the size of the straight line. Now exactly after taking the same size of MN, we are going to take another incision by putting the sharp edge at the M. Okay, so this is, we are going to name it as N. Okay, now here we have got 2 points. Now the last point or the last part of the construction, that is to join the free ends. Okay, so this is it. This is how we make a triangle, that is triangle LMN, where in the triangle LMN, LM equals to 2 centimeter, MN equals to 2 centimeter, and we are going to measure the free ends that we just drawn it, that is LN. We need to know what is the size of it, so this is also 2 centimeter. Okay, and the angle, that is LMN, which is already given, that is 60 degree. We will complete our construction by writing all this thing. Okay, now coming to the next one, here you can see that one side is given, two angles are given, that is angle EFG equals to 65 degree, angle GEF equals to 75 degree. So we have to find the triangle EFG. Okay, now for once again I am going to take an arbitrary line, straight line here. Alright, now after that what we are going to take, we are going to mark the line that is given, size that is given. So from here I am going to take a size already out here of 6 centimeter. Alright, so here in the 6, ending of the 6, we are going to put, and this is how we take the size, and then once again we are going to take the size of 6 centimeter. Alright, So here at the basal point, we are going to take an incision of 6 centimeter. Alright, and we are done with making the base of our triangle, that is EF. Now we are going to take the help of our protractor to mark the 65 degree and 75 degree. Now we know what is the angle EFG, right? EFG should be here. So EFG should be 65 degree. So I am putting the protractor out here, and let's see where the 65 degree lies. Basically the 65 degree lies out here, just between the 60 and 70. Alright, so let's join this 2 lines, two points. Okay, and we are done with that. Once again we are going to take the 75 degree from point E. So here, where is the 75 degree? It's in here. So from here we are going to measure it and take the lines and join both of it. So let's see where it is joining both of it. Don't be scared if we are getting this kind of weird angles. Okay, so we know that this angle is EFG is 65 degree and GEF is 75 degree. That is the reason this kind of triangle has been formed. Alright, so from here what we are going to write down, we are once again going to write down what has been given to us. So EF equals to 6 centimeter, which is the base. Now we are going to see what is the size of EG and FG. One is EG is 8.5 centimeter, and for FG, that is 9. Alright, and here the angles has already been given. So this is how we make the triangle EFG with all its properties. Alright, so this is it for this class, and for homework you have to complete the number A till number H. So let's see each other in our next video. Till then, complete the homework and submit it via mail. I will be waiting for your homeworks. Thank you.